I'm Kevin Watson from the Centre for Academic Development at Oxford Brookes University. Every year at around dissertation time, students come to see us with formatting issues for their dissertation. You can imagine the scene. The deadline is almost here, it's days away, you think you're almost there, but there are some little formatting issues that are driving you crazy. And one of the really common ones is when students want to change a document so that whilst most pages look like this and are in sort of portrait mode, they want one or two pages to be the other way round, and somehow it just isn't working. Or maybe at the beginning of a dissertation, the rules say that you want a little section that's got Roman numerals and then the page numbers are normal numbers after that. Either way, it can drive you crazy, but there is a simple fix using section breaks. So in this little video I'm going to show you how to use section breaks to make one part of a document in Word behave differently to the rest. So here I am in Word, and currently I'm on the Home tab. You can see on the left I'm on the Home tab there at the top. And I'm just going to go along a little bit, following my cursor and then down, and you'll see a funny little squiggle here, which is really useful when you're trying to get into, maybe what's gone wrong with some formatting in a piece of writing that you have, because what that does is it shows the formatting marks within your work. So if I click on it, you'll see that some blue squiggles have appeared at the bottom of my page, and what that is just basically me hitting the return button, the enter button, and starting a new paragraph. So being able to see all the times you've changed the formatting, you've done something to the formatting, that's a really useful thing to have. So what I'm going to try to do is get one section of this document to behave differently to the rest. So we're on page 9 at the moment, and you can see on the left hand side what the pages look like, and my challenge is going to be to turn page 10 from this way round to this way round. So maybe I can put a picture in or something. So first thing I'm going to do though is go to the bottom of page 9, and I'm going to go onto the Layout tab. And you'll see about 5 along here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 along, there is an option that says breaks, and that's what I'm going to go with. And I'm going to scroll down until I see one that says next page, and click on that. And you'll see now, because we've got the reveal formatting on, you can see that it actually says section break at the bottom of page 9. And effectively what you've done there is you have said that the next bit of the document can behave differently. Okay, I'm actually going to go on to the next page now, maybe go a line down, and I'm going to put in another section break. So again, on the breaks tab, next page. So now I have this one page here that is going to behave differently to the rest, and so I'll get in between the two section breaks. And what I'm going to do now, still on the Layout tab, I'm going to go to Orientation, and now I'm going to select Landscape. And you'll see on the left now, and actually on the main bit, that this page is now behaving differently to the rest. It's actually in Landscape, and the rest have stayed in Portrait. However, there is one little problem still, because you'll see that if I look at the page numbers of the whole document, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this one, oh dear, it says 1. And then the one after that says 1 as well. So putting those section breaks in is effectively making the thing start again. So I'll deal with that. I'll go down and I'll click on where the page number is, and I'll go to the Insert tab, and on page numbers I'll select page numbers, and you'll see the second one down says Format Page Numbers. Now for anyone interested in how you put a section in Roman numerals, like at the beginning of a dissertation, you'll see that's at the top option there for number format. So just select there and you'll find the Roman numerals. But we're going to go to the page numbering bit further down. And I've got two options on page numbering. It says continue from previous section or start at whatever, and you can change the numbers on the bottom one, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is to select to continue from the previous section, and you'll see that's become page 10 now. And I will do the same with the next page. Insert page numbers, format page numbers, continue from previous section, and the whole thing's fine again. So that is how you use section breaks to have one part of your document behave differently to others. Really useful if you're doing things like putting charts and things in and they don't really naturally fit the portrait mode, so maybe you've got kind of graphs or whatever, but it maybe is a bit more straightforward to do than you might think, and hopefully this video has saved you some time working out how to do it.